to the Nail Chronicle for my stargazing nail art, and this one, yes, as the title suggested, was designed by my fiance. So his brief was pretty much do a nail where it was green on the bottom, black on the top, and some stars over the top of the black, or over the top of the whole nail. I took a little bit of creative license with the stars, as I sort of do have a few star stamping templates, but thought I'd change it up. Anyway, so I painted a coat of green, and I'll pop all the details on my blog, and then added in the black using the sticker guides. And you'll see at the end of when I've started painting the sticker guides, I pop them back onto the sticker guide sheet, and this is so that I could reuse them on my other hand. I don't do this all the time, but I try to do it as much as I can because it means I can reuse the stickers. I'm not going through so many of them, and I can sort of make them last longer, and you know, it's better for the environment. This makes it decent. I'm sticking to it. So I just went slowly along. It may not look like it, but I actually sped this video up because I was going so carefully. So the biggest thing I can say is just take your time. Don't go as fast as what you see others go. You might just need to slow it down a little bit. So here, as I mentioned, I'm just using some tweezers, and you could put them back onto like a bit of plastic or anything like that where you could easily pull them back up. I could probably have even put them onto my stamping mat, but for whatever reason I decided to put them back onto the sticker sheet. And for some reason I always have trouble getting the straight ones. I've got a ton of the more curved ones, but the straight ones are always a bit harder to get. So onto the last step of this design, and that's the nail stamping. I used a Conad silver one, and for this one I actually used my Conad stamper rather than the Magnology ones, and the reason being is that it's quite a firm stamper, and I felt that it was going to pick up the silver a lot better. When I last used the silver polish, it really struggled, and I couldn't even get the image to pick up on the clear stampers, so I figured stick with the solid ones, and it seems to sort of grab those little particles, particularly as it's sort of a glitter metallic polish. It'd be interesting to know if you have any preferred metallic stamping polishes. I've only used the Conad ones. I haven't tried the Magnology ones yet, or any of the other ones. So if you've got a favorite one that I should check out, leave a comment down below and let me know, because I'd love to get some more metallics and silvers into my stamping collection. So there we have it. There's my final design, my stargazing design. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think down in the comments, or if you've got any other tips and suggestions, or just want to say hi. Anyway, until next time, thank you for watching. Bye!